Here we have a 2013 Ram 1500 Bighorn. It's in graphite gray. I think it has, as you can see, it's a very good looking truck. The Bighorn package gives you the chrome accents, the louvers there, the chrome lower bumper surround. You got the fog lights integrated into the lower front bumper. We'll come around here to the side. It's got a good tire depth, about half tread, maybe about 6/32. Goodyear Eagles, or Wranglers, excuse me. As you can see, nice thick brake pad resurface rotor, nice wheel, 5-spoke chrome. You got the Bighorn gives you the chrome body spears here, chrome door handles, and chrome mirror caps. Go ahead and open it up. You can see you have a 2 bucket seats with a light gray cloth interior, dark charcoal carpeting. 40/20/40 fold down center console. Go to the back, so you can see this is a crew cab model, so you have very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there for your rear occupants. Also, you got the factory 5-inch flat running boards. On the back here, you can see matching Goodyear tires, about the same 6/32 tread, and again a nice clean 5-spoke chrome wheel. Standard box on this truck. Rear sliding window. As you can see there, dual exhaust. Come also within the Class 3 tow hitch. Got your 4-way flat, 7-way round connectors integrated into the bumper. Pull down the tailgate, you can see drop-in liner. Continue around here to the side. See the interior from this side. And then you have your driver's seat there as well. There's a little hole right there, a little burn hole. Now the vehicle doesn't smell like smoke, it smells fine in here as I'm taking this video, but there is a little burn hole there on the seat cushion. Now I'm just going to give you a quick rundown here and look through the cabin. You do have power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Start this up so you can see the miles. Hear that nice Hemi roar. There you can see low miles, 39,148, very low miles for the year. You have automatic headlamp control, stem switch for your high beams and turn signals, as well as your intermittent wiper washers. Got your Bluetooth connect here, your controls for your in-vehicle display, customizable dash. Got your cruise control to the right, gear shift selector with manual gear selector integrated and a tow haul. Got your standard radio here, AM, FM satellite, 4-wheel drive, electronic shift on the fly, climate control below that with your traction control and your tow haul mode there. Like I say, you have a nice full center console here, 3 cup holders. There's your connectivity, audio, 12-volt power supply, USB, nice big well to keep some items. There's your switch for your power rear slider and your LED map lights. Auto dimming rearview mirror. Let's go ahead and pop the hood so you can see the Hemi engine. Hood release is right here. It's also, just so you can see, has the tow mirrors. These actually will flip up, heated as well. There you see a nice clean Hemi engine, very well maintained by the previous owner. No corrosion on any of the turbos, no exhaust or fluid leaks. Does have the MDS capability. Let's go ahead and shut it off. We'll get into the next portion of the video. You see you have vent visors up there as well. Next part of this video, really I think is what separates Thomas from a lot of dealerships. I'm going to give you a little walk around, show you any minor imperfections. I did show you that little hole on the driver's front seat. If I see any stone chips, dents, dings, scrapes, I'll let you guys know. Looks really nice and clean. See anything to speak of on the doors? You have a little ding right there. I don't even know if I can get it to show up on the camera. Little small ding there on the bedside. It's another very, very tiny ding right there. Really tough to get it to show you guys, but two very, very small dents on that left bedside. Tailgate has a little dent front and center. That one shows a little better. The rest of the tailgate looks good. No dents or dings on the chrome bumper. Protective over the rail liners and bed caps look good. Coming down this side now. This will be the passenger side. Looks good on that bed side. Do have a ding right here. You can catch it in the light. It's tough to show you. I got it a couple of times there. A little ding on that door. Passenger door looks fine. Fender looks good. Couple little minor chips on the top of the hood, stone chips. Really nice and clean. No dings on the front bumper. A little bit of bug damage. Couple little chips right there on the hood. Couple more right there. But other than that, excellent vehicle. Still has just a little bit of actually, I'm sorry, it is expired on the factory warranty due to age. However, you can also obviously look into extended warranties for this vehicle, and we will provide you with a short-term bumper-to-bumper warranty from Thomas Automotive. If you're interested in this vehicle, there's a couple different ways you can get a hold of us. Look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. My name is Kevin Richards. Appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.